Aston Martin DBS isn't going anywhere because it's protected with a Halo Mini with a tracker and remote immobilisation. So with this, if someone got the key, got the vehicle started, they're going to be unable to drive it away because the gearbox is just simply locked in park. So you're going to be unable to drive it without going through a unique push sequence. For the video we have 1, 2, 3, 4, receive an instant flash on the dash, and we can select our gear and drive away. We turn the vehicle off and the system activates more or less straight away. By the time you get out, if someone grabbed this key, went to steal it, the vehicle's going nowhere without that push sequence. So we try drive or reverse or neutral, it's just not coming out of park. So pop a code in, receive an instant flash, select our gear, and we're good to drive. If someone pulled you out of this at a set of traffic lights, or you gave someone the code and you shouldn't have, you can go into your tracking app on your phone, send a remote immobilisation command to the vehicle, and it's going to lock the vehicle in park, and they're going to be unable to drive it even if they've got the code. To get one of these fitted, our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.